Have you ever wondered, if given the chance, would you journey back to the past or leap into the future? It's an intriguing proposition, isn't it? The ability to traverse the timeline has always been a captivating notion that has stirred human curiosity since time immemorial. From the ancient mythologies to the modern science fiction, the concept of time travel has been a recurring theme. Imagine being a silent spectator to the historic events that shaped our world, or getting a glimpse of the future, seeing firsthand how our actions today shape the world of tomorrow. It's fascinating, isn't it? Our early theories of time travel were fueled by the idea of moving faster than light. This concept, although appealing, was quickly outpaced by the reality of physics. Light, as we know, travels at an astonishing speed of about 186,000 miles per second. But even if we could surpass this speed, would we be able to journey through time? This question led to the birth of a theory that revolutionized our understanding of the universe: Einstein's theory of relativity. According to this groundbreaking theory, time and space are intertwined in a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. This theory also proposed that massive objects can cause distortions in this fabric, creating what we know as gravity. So, if we can manipulate this space-time fabric, can we also manipulate time? Could we create a pathway to the past or a bridge to the future? These questions continue to challenge the brightest minds of our generation, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. The mysteries of time have always intrigued us, prompting us to question if time travel might one day be more than just a figment of our imagination. But as we delve deeper into the realm of time travel in the following scenes, we'll discover that the journey through time is filled with more complexities and paradoxes than we could ever imagine. From scientific theories to fascinating discoveries, our understanding of time has come a long way. Let's take a journey back to the beginning, to the birth of modern physics. It was the dawn of the 20th century when a young patent clerk named Albert Einstein rocked the scientific world with his theory of relativity. This groundbreaking theory suggested that space and time are interwoven into a single continuum known as space-time. Einstein's theory also proposed that the force of gravity is actually the bending of space-time caused by massive objects. Then came quantum mechanics, another revolution in our understanding of the universe. Unlike relativity, which deals with the vast cosmos, quantum mechanics tackles the smallest particles in the universe. It introduced us to a world where particles can be in two places at the same time, and where time doesn't necessarily flow in one direction. These theories have paved the way for further exploration and discoveries. One such discovery is the existence of black holes, regions of space-time exhibiting gravitational acceleration so strong that nothing, not even particles or electromagnetic radiation such as light, can escape its pull. According to some theories, the extreme gravity of a black hole might be strong enough to create a wormhole, a theoretical passage through space-time that could create shortcuts for long journeys across the universe or even into different times. Another intriguing discovery is the concept of dark energy, a mysterious force that's accelerating the expansion of the universe. Some scientists speculate that if we could harness this dark energy, we might be able to create a warp bubble that could move space itself, effectively allowing us to travel through time. These theories and discoveries have pushed the boundaries of our understanding, bringing us one step closer to the possibility of time travel. As we continue our journey into the cosmos, who knows what other mysteries we might uncover? So what could the future hold for time travel? Could we possibly be the generation to unlock this age-old mystery? As we delve deeper into the 21st century, the concept of time travel is not as far-fetched as it once seemed. Recent developments in the field of quantum physics are painting a fascinating, albeit complex, picture of what could be possible. In the realm of quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple places at the same time, hinting at the possibility of parallel universes. Imagine, if you will, countless versions of reality existing side by side, where every choice you've ever made has played out in a different way. This concept, known as the many worlds interpretation, could potentially pave the way for time travel. Sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? In the field of theoretical physics, scientists are studying the properties of wormholes, which are essentially shortcuts through space-time. If we could harness the power of these cosmic anomalies, we could potentially travel great distances in the blink of an eye, or even journey through time itself. But how close are we to making this a reality? Well, technological advancements are key. The creation of a working time machine is a mammoth task, requiring energy sources and technologies that are currently beyond our reach. However, with the rapid pace of scientific discovery, it's not impossible. Even now, experiments with quantum computers and particle accelerators are providing us with tantalizing glimpses into the fabric of time and space. And while we are still far from hopping into a DeLorean and zooming off to a different era, the groundwork is being laid. As we stand on the precipice of discovery, we must remember that time travel is not just about the technology. It's about understanding the fundamental laws of our universe. It's about embracing the unknown, questioning the established, and venturing into the unexplored. Only time will tell if we'll be able to conquer this final frontier. While the prospect of time travel is exciting, it's not without its potential hazards. The idea of hopping through time, visiting the past or future, is undeniably thrilling. But as with all thrilling ventures, there are risks involved. And these risks are not just physical but also ethical. Let's start with the potential for altering the past or future. Imagine, if you will, a time traveler journeying back to a point in history and inadvertently changing a significant event. This could have a ripple effect, altering the course of history and impacting the present in unimaginable ways. It's a concept often referred to as the butterfly effect, where a small change can lead to large differences in a later state. Then there's the grandfather paradox, a concept that has puzzled many a mind. This paradox poses the question, what would happen if a time traveler went back in time and prevented their grandfather from meeting their grandmother? Would the time traveler then cease to exist? And if they did cease to exist, who then traveled back in time to prevent the meeting? It's a mind-bending conundrum that highlights the potential paradoxes time travel could create. Moreover, time travel could also bring about ethical dilemmas. Would it be right to change the course of history, even if it's to prevent a disaster? Who gets to decide what should be changed and what should remain as it is? These are questions we must grapple with as we contemplate the possibility of time travel. And let's not forget the physical risks. Traveling through time could potentially expose the traveler to unknown energies and forces. The human body may not be equipped to withstand such a journey, leading to unforeseen health hazards. These potential hazards remind us that time travel, while fascinating, is a subject that must be approached with caution. It's a tantalizing prospect, but one that comes with a host of questions and concerns that we must carefully consider. As we continue to explore the mysteries of time, we can't help but wonder what lies ahead in our journey. Imagine the possibilities, the sheer potential of time travel. It could profoundly alter our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It's not just about going back to see the dinosaurs or leap forward to meet our future selves. No, it's much more than that. If we could travel through time, we could witness the birth of our universe, the Big Bang, or the formation of the first galaxies. We could observe the rise and fall of civilizations long lost to time, or future societies we can't even begin to fathom. The implications for human understanding would be immense. Our perception of reality would be reshaped. Our understanding of cause and effect of history and future could be turned upside down. We would no longer be mere observers in the universe, but active participants capable of traversing the vast expanse of time itself. But with great power comes great responsibility. If we were to have the ability to change the past or influence the future, we would need to tread carefully. The potential to disrupt the timeline, to alter events and change the course of history is a daunting prospect. We would need to ensure that our actions did not have unforeseen consequences, that our curiosity did not lead us down a path of destruction. The future of our journey into the realms of time is uncertain, filled with both tantalizing possibilities and equally compelling challenges. But one thing is clear: the quest for knowledge, the desire to understand our universe better, will continue to drive us forward. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of time, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Spaceman channel to stay updated on all things space-related.